Hello everyone. So today we will be solving Leetcode problem 234, that is palindrome linked list. We are given the head of a linked list and we have to return true if it is a palindrome or false. So we have got an example here. So let's see how can we code this. We have to find the palindrome of a linked list. So a palindrome is a sequence that reads the same forwards and backwards. So we can see in this example we have got 1 2 2 1. If we read it from the backwards, it's the same. It's 1 2 2 1. So we have to find the palindrome of a linked list. Like if the linked list is a palindrome, we have got to return true, else we will return false. So in this, what we can do is uh, the first simple approach would be like we will convert this linked list into a list. So that would be 1 2 2 1, and then we will check if the list is the same from forwards and backwards. That is, this must be equal to our reverse linked list. So if this is equal, then we will be returning true. So this is the simple method. And the other method that we can do is with the help of using pointers. So that one is going to be a bit complex. So what we will do is first we will find the middle of our linked list. So if we going to find the middle of our linked list, after we have found the middle of our linked list, what we will do is we will reverse this linked list. We will reverse this part. So what we will happen is we have got 1, we have got 2. So after finding the middle, we will reverse it from the middle. So now it will look something like 1 and 2. So after we have reversed it, now we have got two lists, and now we will compare these two lists. If these two linked lists are same, then we will return true. So it is a three-step approach, you can say, in which first we will find the middle of the linked list. And we can do this by using two pointers. So one will be slow, another one will be fast. So our fast will move by two places and our slow will move by one place. So when the fast reaches the end of the linked list, then our slow would have just reached the mid of our linked list. So we will find the mid of our linked list. Then what we will do is we will reverse the second half of the linked list. Second half of linked list. So from slow, when we have got slow, we will take a current pointer and we will assign it to slow, and then we will have a previous pointer that we will do as none. And what we will do is we will reverse our linked list. So it would become something like this. Linked list would become something like 1 2. We would reverse it, and then in the end our third step would be after we have reversed the linked list, we will compare the first half of the linked list, first half of linked list, and second half of linked list. If they are same, we will return true. If they are same, we will return true, else we will return false. So let's see in code, like how do we do this, like how do we do the three-step approach. Also, we will see how to do this, though this is very easy. So yeah, this would be about finding the palindrome of a linked list. Let's move on to Leetcode. So the first way would be we would keep our linked list, like we would copy our linked list into a list, and then we will check if our list is the same forwards and backwards. So while we will be having current, what we will do is we will append every element to our list, that is cur.val, and after that we would do cur equals to current dot next. After that we would just check if our list is same from forwards and backwards. Yeah, so let's run this. So this one would be one way. The other way would be like we will first find the middle node, then we will be reversing it from the middle node, and then we would check if it is same in the first half of, and the second half of the list are same. So for the second approach, we would find the middle of the linked list. So we will take 2 pointers, that is slow equals to fast equals to head. Then while we would be having fast and fast dot next, we would move our slow pointer by 1 step, and we would move our fast pointer by 2 steps. So in our slow, we will be having the middle of the linked list. So first what we did was we have found the middle of the linked list. Now we will be reversing that. So we would take prev equals none, and then our current will be equals to our slow pointer, because this is from the middle of the linked list. We will be reversing the second half. So we will be having, while we have current, our next would be current dot next. Our current dot next would be our previous pointer. Our prev would be current, and our current would be finally be next. So we have reversed our second half of the linked list. Now we will check if our first half, that is prev and head, we will check if both of them are equal. So prev dot val, if it is not equals to head dot val, then we will be returning false, and we will do prev dot next. Like we will be iterating through both of the linked list, like the first half and second half, and in the end we will just return true. So let's run this. So yeah, these are two ways how you can solve the palindrome linked list problem. uh, so yeah, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.